The standard objects that we have been in and out of, the lead, opportunity, account, contact, these are all part of the Sales Cloud, the sales component of the Salesforce CRM, meant to manage the entire sales cycle, from outbound marketing to inbound lead intake to lead qualification, all the way to opportunities and forecasting, and eventually to the closed sale. Afterwards, the powerful analytics available to identify ways for improvement. The Sales Cloud should contain everything your organization needs to sell. In this section, we will go through the objects that make up the Sales Cloud and how they are used to take a customer through the journey. We will learn about lead management, opportunity management, campaign management, products and prices, and content. In lead management, we'll learn to define a lead. We'll learn about modifying and customizing lead stages, also known as the lead path. We'll also learn about lead assignment and lead assignment rules, web-to-lead forms, and all about lead conversion. Let's go into Salesforce and open up a lead now. First, let's navigate to a lead. I got here first by opening the app launcher, selecting our sales application, which is standard, and navigating to the lead tab. So, what are leads? A lead is a potentially qualified sale. It's someone that may or may not be a good fit for your sales process. They've maybe filled out information, or maybe you've reached out to them in the hopes of getting them to buy your product. The lead contains what's called a lead path, which moves them from the qualification to the eventual conversion. You can track details about a lead, track news about a lead's company, look at their social components such as LinkedIn, and look at all their qualified information. You can also assign a lead to a particular sales rep to work on, or have that lead automatically be assigned. The lead is the first point of entry into Salesforce. While the lead has company information, a lead is actually a contact record before it becomes a contact. It's an individual person at a particular company, and it may be someone you haven't spoken to with. That's why there's a standard to qualify and eventually convert them to a lead. You should enter all the relevant company information or have it pre-populated through some sort of a web form, like an online website or through a marketing tool. Once you verify that this lead does not currently exist in Salesforce, it can be assigned to one of your sales reps or to a sales group or to a group of sales users to work on. Why don't we create a new lead now? I'm going to select the New button on the Lead tab and enter information for our new lead. We'll call this person Aaron Jackson, Mr. Company, Sears Company, phone number, a good fake phone number, we will also enter a title, a website, an email, and a website. For the lead status, we'll leave it as open, not contacted, and mark this as a warm lead. We won't fill out any of the address information for now, and save. We're then taken to the created lead. We can see that there's a highlights page here, or a highlights component, just like the accounts and contacts. This is the default Lightning page, and its behavior can be changed by editing the page by going to Edit Page. or edit object. This is covered in the UI section, which was covered in the previous chapter. From here, we could enter in activity information, like when we last talked to them, had a call, seems interested, go ahead and save, and it appears on the activity timeline. We can also enter more details at any time, or check out news based on the company. So let's go ahead and we can move up the stage because we've been working on this lead and we've contacted. Once we're ready to convert, that is, we've qualified this lead and they're ready to move into an account, contact, and potentially an opportunity, we can select the converted icon here and select convert. We'll learn about lead conversion in the next section. After we selected the convert button, we're taken to this page here, where we're asked to either create a new account, a new contact, and a new opportunity, or map to an existing account, contact, and opportunity. If we wanted to map to an existing account, we can go ahead and select Choose Existing and search for a matching account. Sears. Looks like no results. So we'll go ahead and say that it's safe to create a new account. Best practice is to search for each record so you don't create any duplicates. Aaron Jackson. Looks like there's none. We'll create new, and we'll create a new opportunity called generator. And you remember the record types we created in the previous section? Well, we can specify what record type we want this to be. So we know Sears Company is business to business, so we'll go ahead and convert. We'll select convert, and looks like I got an error. Your lead is missing field mapping for account. What? I wonder what this means. Oh, I think I know. Leads are supposed to map to accounts and contacts and opportunities. There must be a required field on this account object called customer priority. I don't have it created on the lead field, so I'll need to create that so it could map over. I can do that, or I can make the customer priority field not required. I'm going to go ahead and create the customer priority field and then map it. I'll go to Setup, Object Manager, Leads, and I'll create a new field called Customer Priority. Next. And if I remember correctly, this was our pick list values: platinum, gold, silver, and bronze. We won't require it. Actually, maybe we should, since it's going to be mapped. We'll go to Next. We'll add it to every profile, every layout, and save. Now it's time to map our new field. We're going to select Map Lead Fields, and we're going to look for our customer priority. We're going to want to map it to our customer priority account field. We'll go ahead and save. And I think now that lead's ready to be converted. We'll select Convert again, Convert Status, Create New Everything, Generator. I don't know what we sell, but it's a generator, I guess. We'll go ahead and convert. Again, another problem with the account customer priority field. What could be happening? Oh, I know. I haven't selected a customer priority. So we'll go in, select a customer priority. Let me just refresh this lead. Details. Where is the customer priority? Am I just not seeing it? Let's keep refreshing. Here we go. Customer priority. I'll select silver, save. Now let's see if it works. Third time's a charm. Generator, convert. That's a good sign. And look, we get this awesome, cool congratulatory congratulations that says our lead's been converted, and it lists each object or each record that's been converted. From here we can navigate to any one of these and see what we got. So I'll click over to the accounts and look at that. Sears Company, the phone, the rating. If I navigate to the related list, I can see that there's an Aaron Jackson with an opportunity for Sears Company generator.